For lunch today, I thought I would whip up a nice healthy smoothie. And in today's smoothie, I plan to include spinach, avocado, apple, pear, and a little bit of whey protein mix. So I went ahead and I cut up half of the apple, half of the pear, and half of the avocado. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in my blender here. And now that I have that in, I took some stems off of the spinach. So I'm just going to stuff those in there and toss in some protein mix. And then I'm just going to give it a little bit of water. I want to be cautious not to go past the max fill line, which you can see right there. And now I'm going to go ahead and blend that together. And now I have a nice healthy lunch full of vitamins, proteins, and everything I need to fill me up for the afternoon.